Kermen Shilla Menteri Katana Social Welfare, Ulong Bakatana Trekam Jong U Kakuloi Ben Shat Tokit, Halor Ukau Ubapoi Shaboko Assam. Uba Kermen Ulapan Pawe Kani Hadian Bakaliang Persha Nakaseng Congress, Kadawa Bantung Dakajing Tokin. Ulong Bakasorkar Kladeb and Penshai, Boni Ukau Setia Ukau Roshan, Ban Sam Shiki Paidba, Hindre Ude Ukau Ban Ai Shaka Company, Kabade Ban Shnai Kijing Bam Baju Sam Shiki Aganwadi Center, Baju Ajing Bam Yiki Kena Kibanadu Lightsnam Hadu and Rusnam Karta, Kena Bakin Kotkin Kia, but Biang Kijing Bam Kibate Med. Kumjuru Laju Ai Shiki Longkame Kiba Armed Lingbagataka program, Baki Onka Supplementary Nutrition Program.
No, from our side, we have clarified regarding with these issues. And yesterday also I have given a clarification. So I don't know if they are not satisfied for that, and at the same time, whatever they want, we are free for anything. There's nothing from our side that something wrong is going on. We have clarified and we make sure that there's nothing from social welfare that something, a scam or some whatever they call is going on from the side. Our concern is that the food material for our children, so which we got it with the time period, quantity and the quality, because even the quality, so we used to do the testing, lab testing, and it's found correct. So and that scam, whatever he does, if it is somewhere else, that is not our concern. Our concern is just that in Meghalaya, whatever food materials need to be provided, it should be correct. So till now it seems it's correct. we have tried with a small minimum amount of money. Then now later on we get a lots of contribution from friends. So that which I will announce it when the times come. I will not announce it now because we have just received so from so many friends. So for that, I will have one get together with all those sponsors. Then we'll announce their name and then we'll give some appreciation to them also. So please let me know. From our side, we did our very best. So what is the reason of low performance? So I don't know exactly as of now. So we need to find into it where we left or where we miss out. So for that miss out, so if somebody can shows us that you have missed here, because nobody is perfect. So according to us, we have did the best as per required and as per need to be done. So where have we missed? We need to find out that. When it comes to this lab testing, the report came correctly. And then maybe because the test is different, when it comes to what to say, medicinally, it provides the nutrients required for the childrens. But maybe they don't like it, like medicine. You know that this will cure you, but you don't like taking it because it tastes so horrible, or maybe it is something which you don't like to, to have it. So the same thing, maybe the children have the same taste. The taste matters, it's not the quality. We have waiting for that, but I've just heard that it seems they have clarified regarding this. So I'm waiting for their clarification. So I have not received it personally, but it seems our department have received it. So we have a lab testing. So we found the food is correct as per requirement. So because if it found is not as per requirement, then of course he has to be take out. No doubt on that. So we cannot afford to give something food materials, especially for our children, because our concern is that our children should get the best food as per the norms. Trying our very best to reach out each and every children those who are left out. That's why most of the time, from time to time, I have been asking, please let us know where we fail or where we have not reached, because there are times that those children maybe is not in our notice. So that's why we need everyone to work along with us. Let us reach to those even children who are left out, maybe some remote areas where we cannot reach. So for that, if you found in that such kind of children, I mean, in those situations they left out unnoticed, so please let us know. We are here to take care of it.